Hey, hello everyone, Xapki here, welcome in a new video about Kubernetes, and again we will continue our Kubernetes course. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to not miss the next video, like and comment this one, and just a reminder, you can use the GitLab link that you can find inside the video description if you want to clone the repository. Feel free to do it. You can find into it the code, the slide, and so on. Today we will just make a short video about the masters and workers joins. It will be quick, in fact, because we did a lot of stuff inside the previous video, just to ensure that. How to do that? So, if you remember, in the previous video, we had the CLI, the Kubeadm join CLI, just to join master or to join workers. Imagine that you haven't this, or you missed this CLI. How to do that? So we will do without, in fact, just to show you how to regenerate them. So we can use install 3.sh, and the first thing is to use Kubeadm init phase and upload cert, so -- upload cert. So that will regenerate here the certificate, so that generate a key about certificate here, and right after that you can generate the new, or print again the new join CLI. So with Kubeadm join here, so but take care about it. So we can use it, of course, but we will just add some stuff, because we use Vagrant, and as we use Vagrant, we need to set the API server here with the good IP, just to not the API server, but the advertise address here. So it's quite easy to do it, like here, and we have the IP about, so this one will be, so it's a second server, so this one, that will be 101 here, and we need to set the certificate key as well, like here. So the certificate key, the certificate key will be here, and we need just to copy and paste the certificate key that we already have here. So it's upload cert, okay, and we will use -- control plane. Don't remember, yes, control plane, like here, and I think that's it for the fix. Yes, and let's go. So that takes few seconds, in fact, because there is already some images directly on the server. Normally, if you want to be faster, you can already run the pull image command that like this one, in fact, and we can do it on the other node, so the second master, like here, and we don't need to run it on workers, because on workers there is only the kubelet, so nothing, no other things on it. We can run this command line as well, and we will run the control plane, the same CLI with a join with the control plane for the other server, but take care about the IP, of course. And we can reuse our get node, and now we have a second node ready. And if we run it on the second master, on the second master, it's this IP, second one here. Yes, I need to Kubeadm reset, just to reset this node. Okay, yes, let's go, and I can run it again. I think we are on the IP number 2, like here, and it's ongoing. Perfect. Yeah, the Kubeadm reset allows you to just reset one node inside your cluster. And now we have the Kubeadm 3 not ready because just remember that with kubectl get pod -a, we have kuberouter, and it's a daemon set, so that take a little bit of time just to download the image and install kuberouter. And right after that, when it's running, you can check again, and now we have a third master, and I can run the same CLI again. Now we can copy the same join command but without the control plane to ensure to join our workers. Again, my bad, I did it again. So Kubeadm reset, yes, and I can check the IP. This one will be the 3, this one will be the 4. Okay, and if I run it with the 3 here, okay, it's ongoing, and the 4 here, here, it's ongoing, and that will be quick because there is no image to download, and in fact there is only the kuberouter again, so it's ongoing. 2 kuberouter because we just added 2 new nodes, and now we have another kuberouter, and if we check kubectl get node, we will have at the end, yes, all nodes are up and running. It's okay. Now we have our entire cluster. That's it for today. See you in the next video. We will dig deeper in a bit inside our Kubernetes cluster, and we will just create automation with Vagrant. We will ensure that with the Vagrant file and all our bash script, we could provision directly a cluster like here, like today. And you will see it's really easy, in fact, to spawn a cluster like that. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to not miss the next video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.